In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a queue in Apple Music. We will walk through it slowly so you can follow along on your own device without getting lost. First, launch Apple Music on your device. Look for the white icon with the multicolored music note, usually on your home screen or in your app library. When it opens, you should land on the Listen Now or Browse tab, with artwork tiles, playlists, and recommendations filling the screen. If you see your music library or search results instead, that is fine. The queue works the same from any of these views. The key thing is that Apple Music is open and fully loaded before you move on. Now, find a song, album, or playlist you want to add. You can tap Library at the bottom if you want to use music you already saved, or tap Search to look for a specific artist or title. As you scroll, you will see rows of songs with small covers on the left and titles on the right, and bigger squares or rectangles for albums and playlists. If you open an album or playlist, you will see a list of individual tracks underneath the main artwork. Any of these items can be used for your queue, either one song or the whole collection. Next, press and hold the track or item to open the options menu. On a touchscreen, keep your finger down for about 1 second until a menu appears. You will see a small panel slide up or pop out, showing actions like Play Next, Play Last, Add to Library, and others. If you pressed and held in the wrong place and nothing appears, try again, but make sure your finger is on the song title or artwork, not on the scroll area. A useful detail here is that if you long press an album or playlist, Apple Music treats it as a single item and will add all its tracks in order to your queue. After that, choose your queue placement. In the menu, tap Play Next if you want this song, album, or playlist to start right after the track that is currently playing ends. You will not interrupt the current song, but the new one will jump to the front of the upcoming list. Tap Play Last if you prefer to place it at the very bottom of your entire upcoming queue list, after anything else you already scheduled to play. Once you tap either option, the menu closes and nothing else on screen needs to change, but the queue is updated instantly and will follow that new order as your music continues. You just learned how to launch Apple Music, pick something you like, and line it up exactly where you want in your listening queue. If this helped you get your Apple Music queue under control, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more tips.